Contamination of the environment and the sources of pollution such as PCB and dioxin are externalities in economic terms. An externality refers to such occasions when what one party does affects the economic welfare of a third party. Externality consists of two types. Negative externality refers to occasions when an impact brings damage to others. The government tries to intervene in order to protect the interests of third parties. For example, when it comes to pollution, the government may try to directly regulate through a government ordinance. There are also regulations imposed based on market principles. In case of direct regulations, government should have an in-depth knowledge of the characteristics of each industry and environmental technologies that are applicable. But it is not easy for government to get access to such information. This is why economists prefer corrective taxation such as levying taxes on the production or consumption activities in an attempt to correct behavior that causes pollution. Corrective taxation was first proposed by the economist Arthur Pigou. It is called the Pigou tax. For example, carbon tax was first introduced by Finland in 1990. The tax was imposed based on the amount of carbon in fossil fuels like petroleum and coal. Carbon tax suppresses or induces the efficient use or the consumption of fossil fuel while indirectly supporting the development of alternative energy sources. The companies subject to regulation are then allowed to emit the greenhouse gases only up to the limit granted to them. Companies can receive their allowance from the government and they may purchase them as companies can trade such allowances for emission. Those companies that produce less greenhouse gases can sell their unused allowance to other companies. This lowers their production costs. Ten Principles of Economics. How markets work. Principles of firm behavior. Principles of income distribution and frontiers of economics. Principles of national economy. How money and exchange rates work. How economic fluctuations and economic policy work. Translated into 6 languages and exported to the world. The people of the world enjoy economics.